Welcome back to Jeep Peep. Today's project, we're going to pull apart these Warren locking hubs. I've got a couple of these now that we're going to learn from, and the intention is we get them prepped, get them ready, get them sandblasted, get them cleaned up, get them repainted, make them look like new. Okay, we are going to have a look at the 6-bolt version. This is off of a 1977 CJ5 Renegade. So I've already started to clean these up. So as you pull these guys out, and of course, you got to get quite a bit of that old grease off to do this work. You can see how this works. Pretty clever system. So as you turn this outer system, this outer ring will actually pull. See how it actually threads that in, and then it pulls this coupling out of engagement, or when you roll it into 4-wheel drive mode, it pushes it into engagement. But you can see this cotter pin is going to prevent it from rolling all the way out when it's ticked over into the 4x4 mode. So to pull this apart so that we can separate these pieces for cleanup, what we're going to do is we're going to take a set of needle nose and we're going to stick them in here because we want to use this pin again, and we're going to slowly just work that pin up. And as you can see, we did that successfully here. Now we've got that pin. You're going to pull that guy out, do it carefully because we want to reuse it, and there we go. I'm going to set that aside, and now what we're going to be able to do is to continue to roll this out and separate these two pieces. So with these two pieces separated, this has been cleaned up. We are absolutely going to reuse this guy. We'll set it aside. And now into pulling these snap rings off. So I'm going to slowly work this out. It is a bit of a chore to get them over those threads. I'm going to twist that guy out, and there we go. Snap ring off. We'll set that aside. And then, of course, we can actually push these two pieces apart. So here we go. Now we've got both of these separated, and there is a bit of an O-ring here that fits in that guy that lets this ride on, keeps the debris out, keeps the oil in. We'll set that aside. And now that piece is completely loose so that we can clean it, sandblast it, get it re-chrome painted, make it look like new. Set that guy aside, and then same thing here. This guy has got an O-ring on it, so we're gonna go ahead and peel that guy off, and we're good. Again, we'll set that aside, and now these core pieces have all been pulled apart so that we can sandblast them again, clean them up, make them look like new. Looks like there's also a little fun find, a little brass bushing that goes on the back side of there. I'm gonna set that aside and make sure that it's not lost in the cleanup. So that's number one, all pulled apart in its core pieces. So the main hub, the outer ring, the internal, and the mechanical locking mechanism. Number two. With that, we're apart, and we're ready for cleanup and sandblast.